Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to illustrate arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. So meaning to say there is a common difference between consecutive terms. For example, if we have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5 as the first 5 terms in an arithmetic sequence, this means the difference between a sub 2 and a sub 1 is equal to the difference between a sub 3 and a sub 2, and between a sub 4 and a sub 3, and between a sub 5 and a sub 4. So to understand what common difference means, we are going to do some examples. So determine whether the sequence below is an arithmetic sequence or not. The sequence 4, 10, 16, 24, and 40. 10 minus 4 is 6. 16 minus 10 is also 6. 24 minus 16 is 8. So there is no common difference. So it's not an arithmetic sequence. Example number 2, the sequence negative 31, negative 23, negative 15, negative 7, negative 1. So negative 23 minus negative 31 equals 8. Negative 15 minus negative 23, the answer is also 8. Negative 7 minus negative 15, the answer is also 8. Negative 1 minus negative 7, the answer is 6. So there is no common difference. So it's not. Number 3, the sequence 5, 13 over 2, 8, 19 over 2, 11. So 13 over 2 minus 5 equals 3 over 2. 8 minus 13 over 2 equals 3 over 2. Then 19 over 2 minus 8 is also equal to 3 over 2. And 11 minus 19 over 2 is also 3 over 2. So meaning to say there is a common difference and it is an arithmetic sequence. Now, the next thing that we have to learn in this lesson is giving the terms in an arithmetic sequence. For example, the question is, what are the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence if the first term is 19 and the common difference is 6? So that means we are going to start with 19. Then to find the next term, we are going to add 6. That becomes 25. And then to find the next term, we are going to add 6 again. That's 31. And then add 6 again. That's 37. Add 6 again. That's 43. Now, example number 2. What are the first 4 terms of the arithmetic sequence if the 5th term is 23 and the common difference is negative 3? So here, 23 is the 5th term, and we are going to find the first 4 terms. So meaning to say, we are going to move to the left. So since the common difference is negative 3, we are going to subtract negative 3. So 23 minus negative 3 is 26. 26 minus negative 3 is 29. Then 29 minus negative 3 is 32. And 32 minus negative 3 is 35. So the first 4 terms are 35, 32, 29, and 26. Now, your turn. This is part A. Put a check mark in the box if the sequence is an arithmetic sequence and X if not. Number 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Number 2, negative 10, 10, negative 20, 20, negative 30. Number 3, 5 over 7, 5 over 8, 5 over 9, 5 over 10, 5 over 11. Number 4, 310, 280, 250, 220, 190. Number 5, 9 over 2, 8 over 2, 7 over 2, 6 over 2, 5 over 2. You can pause the video and work on these exercises here. Now, your turn, part B. Give the first 5 terms of the sequence. Number 1, the last term is 324, the common difference is negative 6. Number 2, the last term is negative 789, and the common difference is negative 4. Number 3, third term is negative 67, and the common difference is negative 9. And number 4, a challenge question, second term is negative 79, and the fourth term is negative 85. Another challenge question, this is item number 5, first term is 22, the last term is 98. Now I will show you the answer. For part A, number 1 is check. It's an arithmetic sequence. Number 2, it's not. Number 3, it's not. Number 4, yes, it's an arithmetic sequence. Then number 5, it's also an arithmetic sequence. For part B, okay, the first 5 terms of the sequence are 348, 342, 336, 330, and 324. Now, number 2, the first 5 terms are negative 773, negative 777, negative 781, negative 785, and negative 789. For number 3, the first 5 terms are negative 49, negative 58, negative 67, negative 76, negative 85. Now for the challenge question, the second term is negative 79 and the fourth term is negative 85. So first we are going to find the term between negative 79 and negative 85. So it's just actually the average of these 2 terms. So negative 79 plus negative 85 and the sum divided by 2. So that's negative 82. Now we can find the common difference. So the common difference is we pick a term, negative 82 for example, then minus its preceding term. So negative 82 minus negative 79, that is negative 3. So the common difference is negative 3. So to find the term on the left or before the negative 79, we are going to subtract negative 3. The first term is negative 76. And to find the next term, we are going to add the common difference, which is negative 3. So that means plus negative 3 equals negative 88. For item number 5, another challenge question. The first term is 22 and the last term is 98. This is how we illustrate the terms. Okay, the first term is 22 and the last term here is 98. So meaning to say, we need to find the 3 terms between 22 and 98. We are going to find the one in the middle. So we will just get the average of 22 and 98. So 22 plus 98, okay, and the answer divided by 2, that's 60. Now we can also find the average between 22 and 60 to find this term between them. So that's 22 plus 60 and the answer divided by 2, that's 41. And for the term between 60 and 98, we can also find the average of these two terms. So that's 60 plus 98, and the answer divided by 2, the answer is 79. Did you get all the items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.